Item number SCP-876. Index Element Switching Pills. Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures SCP-876-1 through SCP-876-83, excluding SCP-876-43 and SCP-876-61, known collectively as Group A, are to be kept in a standard large storage container with 2 locks. Access to one key is enabled by Level 2 and higher personnel. The second is only available to Level 3 or higher personnel to prevent accidental abuse. Information as to the location of SCP-876-84 through SCP-876-121, SCP-876-43, and SCP-876-61, known collectively as Group B, is only accessible to Level 4 or higher. Class B amnestic must be given when business regarding Group B is complete. Each bottle in Group B must have its own containment cell with individual keys. The containment site has 1.5 meter thick walls of lead. All bottles, whether Group A or Group B, must have their numbers indicated. Labels cannot be placed on the bottles. Description: SCP-876 is a group of traditional pill bottles, labeled Data Expunged. The bottles are visually identical. If one is damaged, relabeled, or otherwise altered, it will revert to the usual form in seconds. If any of the containers becomes empty, one capsule pill will appear inside of it. The pill will be 2 different colors, but the coloration is always the same for each bottle. For example, SCP-876-2 always forms and samples. Colors observed are red, transparent, orange, blue, green, white, black, violet, yellow, gray, and redacted. When one pill is swallowed, no ill effects are observed. When a second pill is swallowed, however, an unknown procedure instantaneously converts all atoms of one element in the user's body to that of another, determined by the colors of the pills and the order ingested. This usually causes a catastrophic reaction. See Experiment Log 876. The second pill will cause this effect regardless of time elapsed. For transparent capsules, a small sample of the element in question can be observed inside, excepting radioactive elements. In those cases, there is no sample. Analysis has shown the colors to follow a simple pattern. If the atomic number of protons for the corresponding element is divided by 11 and the remainder taken, one can match up the quotient and the remainder to 2 colors. For example, a remainder of 6 will invariably have a purple-sided pill. Therefore, purple means 6. Refer to the table to determine which number means which color. Data table expunged. Unfortunately, a red and white pill is indistinguishable from a white and red pill. For this reason, it must be recorded which of the bottles the pill came from. When replacement occurs, the new molecules are usually highly unstable. Spontaneous combustion is common. For combinations that avoid this problem, nitrogen to phosphorus, for example, death is immediate due to complete body chemistry failure. In rare cases, the effects are beneficial, but this is always because of the replacement of elemental toxins. The newly formed element always has the most stable number of neutrons. Uranium extracted from test subject cadavers is entirely depleted. Experiment Log 876-A-1. Date. Procedure. D-Class personnel instructed to swallow 1 pill from SCP-876-1, hydrogen, followed by 1 from SCP-876-2, helium. Results. Instant explosive decompression, spreading mass amounts of dust. No organic material discovered in the debris, but small amounts of granite and redacted found. Experiment Log 876-A-2. Date. Procedure. D-Class personnel instructed to swallow one pill from SCP-876-2, helium, followed by one from SCP-876-1, hydrogen. Results: no effect. Experiment log 876-A-3. Date. Procedure: D-Class personnel instructed to swallow one pill from SCP-876-18, argon, followed by one from SCP-876-1, hydrogen. Results: subject lapsed into a coughing fit. Hydrogen content of surrounding air found to be increased post-experiment. Notes: it apparently treats the contents of the victim's lungs as part of the body. Dr. Experiment log 876-A-4. Date. Procedure: D-Class personnel instructed to swallow a small steel ball bearing. Following that, D-Class was instructed to swallow one pill from SCP-876-26, iron, followed by one from SCP-876-79, gold. Results: subject immediately collapsed and expired, as expected. Dissection of the stomach revealed the steel ball to have converted into a gold-colored ball. Notes: this also works for stomach contents. Dr. Experiment log 876-A-5. Date. Procedure 1. D-Class personnel anesthetized and the stomach cut open. 1 SCP-876-1 pill, hydrogen, added to the stomach and observed. Result 1. The pill did not dissolve in stomach acids. Procedure 2. Robotic arm used to lift SCP-876-2 helium pill and insert it into D-Class's stomach. High-speed camera used for observation. Result 2. Both pills disappeared approximately 0.01 seconds before conversion and the resulting explosive decompression. Experiment log 876-A-6. Date. Procedure: pill extracted from SCP-876-1, hydrogen, then bisected with a laser. Results: small puff of yellow flames, signaling a reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. Experiment log 876-A-7. Date. Procedure: pill extracted from SCP-876-92, uranium, then bisected with a laser. Results: Geiger counter detected no amount of uranium in the pill. Notes: why does it only do this for radioactive elements? Look into it, Doctor. Experiment log 876-A-8. Procedure: 1/2 of pill used in experiment 876-A-6 welded to 1/2 of pill used in 876-A-7. Resulting capsule is similar in appearance to pills from SCP-876- and SCP-876-. D-Class personnel instructed to swallow the gold ball from 876-A-4, followed by a capsule from SCP-876-79, gold, and then the new pill. Results: D-Class doubled over in pain and promptly fell unconscious. Geiger counters detected a concentrated source of radioactivity inside D-Class, suggesting data expunged. Notes: that's certainly interesting. The mechanisms must be slightly different, Doctor. Experiment log 876-A-9. Procedure: 1 pill from SCP-876-40, zirconium, and 1 from SCP-876-80, mercury, placed side by side, colors aligned. Capsules are visually identical, colors, and both pills placed under a microscope. Results: despite extensive analysis, no difference between the pills could be visually determined. Identities of pills were not recorded, so it is not known which corresponds to which element. See experiment log 876-A-10. Notes. Pay attention to which one is which next time, Doctor. Experiment log 876-A-10. Procedure 1. Unidentified pills from experiment 876-A-9 were weighed. Result 1. Significant discrepancy in mass. This is attributed to a difference in density of the contents. Procedure 2. Mercury zirconium amalgam administered to D class. Heavier pill administered, followed by lighter pill. D class then sedated and stomach dissected to retrieve amalgam. Result 2. Amalgam changed into a lump of zirconium. Experiment log 876-A-11. Procedure. 1 pill each from SCP-876-71, lutetium. SCP-876-75, rhenium. SCP-876-37, rubidium. SCP-876-57, lanthanum. SCP-876-6, samarium. SCP-876-78, platinum. SCP-876-64, gadolinium. SCP-876-49, indium. SCP-876-7, hafnium. SCP-876-76, osmium. SCP-876-6, neodymium. SCP-876-48, cadmium. And SCP-876-23, vanadium, are extracted and bisected with a laser. Result. The samples of lutetium, rhenium, rubidium, and lanthanum are pure Lu-175, Re-185, Rb-85, and La-139. The platinum sample showed no PT-190, and the samarium sample showed no SM-147, but contains the less radioactive SM-148, as well as other naturally occurring isotopes. All other samples are consistent with terrestrial composition. Notes. Apparently there is an upper limit to which the pills define an isotope to be radioactive, currently estimated to be 1013 years, Doctor.